Hello my beautiful people, now well done. I greet all of you now. My wonderful people, my beautiful people, I get heart to heart topic today to talk about. We say everybody go like, papa go like am, mama go like am, even young people go still like am, because na matter wey concern both young and old. So today I really want to talk about relationship and family. How relationship and family can really move forward. Although it's not easy, but if we use our brain and with God, everything is possible. So today, I just want first of all talk about our husband, talk about wife, talk about boyfriend, also to talk about girlfriend. So when you deal with wife, you know if your wife is good or not. When you deal with boyfriend, you know whether your boyfriend good or not. Okay, now if your husband is good and is nice, do not let anyone look down on him. Don't let anybody see your husband finish just because he's nice, and don't let anyone put hand on top of your wife just because she's nice. Let me tell you something about people that is nice. When you are nice, that is how God creates you, and nothing can change you from being nice. Okay, so just because this person is nice and everybody in the family want to see that person finish, sister, don't let that happen. Brother, save your wife, stand for your wife, fight for her, because she cannot change from being nice. If you get girlfriend, you get boyfriend, and say, this is your girlfriend, she's nice, she get respect, she's everything that a man wants, don't let anybody see her finish just because say it dey nice. Fight for her. Don't let your own family member see her finish. Sister, don't let your own family member see your boyfriend finish or your husband finish just because he or she is too nice. Because some people, they see her like somebody wey dey nice, like somebody who is really nice, that person is weak. No, they are not weak. It's who they are. They are nice people. That is how God creates them. Even if they don't eat, they want you to be okay. Even what they don't have, they even want you to have it, because now they are joy. That is how God creates them. So just because they are this kind of person, do not let anyone look down on them, or do not let anybody see them finish. Do not let anyone begin trauma for them just because your wife is too nice, or rather because your husband is nice. Fight for them. So fight for them. Stand for them. Don't let anyone, because they are nice, come see them finish. No, do not give anyone that chance. Do not give anyone that room to see your husband finish or to see your wife finish. When you are nice, you are really nice. So that one are for that one. Also, for mama to choose wife for his son, or for mother to choose husband for his daughter, I really don't think say that one say they exist. But if they exist, mama, please, you people should stop it. Let them go for what they want, really. Because the only thing that can make you happy for this life, when I see for here now, is making your choice. Go for what you want, and you will be happy forever. When you go for the man that you love, you will be so happy for the rest of your life. So that is it. Let your children choose what they want for themselves, because your choice and their own is not the same thing. Okay? Sister, fight for your husband if you know your husband is good, because you that is living with your husband, you know if your husband is good or not. Brother, you that is living with that woman, you know already if she's a good woman or not, and you see if she's a good woman. Fight for her. Stand for her. Don't let anybody see her finish you. Because some people think, say, because this guy is humble, he's so down to earth, and they'll come think, say, maybe that guy is stupid. No. Or not get level, not get swag, or be guy. No. Now in person, kind of person be that one, and nothing can change it. So you cannot say that because this man is nice or because this woman is nice, then you can't see her finish. Brother, no gree make anybody see your wife finish. Sister, no gree make anybody see your husband finish. That is all I have to say about husband and wife, and also for boyfriend and girlfriend. If you have family, let your family be your everything. Your husband, your children, they are your family now. Stay with them. Discuss with them. You know, things that you cannot tell anyone, discuss it with your family. Who are your family? Your husband, your wife, your children. Do not let anybody come inside to come put scatter or trouble in your midst. No. Sister, now you get home. Use one rope to tie your family together so that nobody can come in between. Oh yes, and God will help us. So that is it. You can borrow money to buy gold, bank. You can borrow money to finish your house anytime when you want to go home. 2 months is enough for person to finish a house. House we'd already built half. Before you know, they don't finish and you come back, you come with the pay. So, and also for here in Europe, you see your friend, they drive big car, Jeep. Don't let them be like anything for you. The only thing you need, if you have your documents, you go for driving school, you pass, you go borrow money for bank. You buy your Jeep, you can buy 20,000 Jeep, 15,000, 40K. Every month, 200, 250, 150, that's how you pay it. So that's why nothing they trip me. I don't they compare myself with anybody at all. I live my life the way I want it, the way go feel give me joy. Oh yes, because who never see, go say one see. If you see sister or brother, you go wrong. So that the premier person don't see anything. Understand? Not compare yourself with anybody. Okay? Do not compare. Not compare yourself with anybody at all, because everything you see, now just, you know, you go still get them. You go still get them. If you want to finish your house, go and borrow money in the bank, finish your house, so for the pay. If you want to buy gold, borrow money, buy gold. Or even some place there, you suffer the pay some more. If you want your house, borrow money, finish her. If you want to drive a better car for Nigeria or for Europe, I don't know how it is in Nigeria, but in Europe here, you borrow money. If you even pay cash to buy motor, they will ask what you do. Yes. Okay, because you hear say your friend you buy house, so hey, you want buy that house now bank. Now you buy and you go come they pay bank back. Okay? Not kill yourself. If they pay bank back, you can still do it. Yeah, when you are ready, you can still do it. You can still buy house. You can still build your house finish for Nigeria. You can still wear that good. You can still drive nice car. If you want, bank can help you. Everything is so easy in Europe. They help you, then every month, then you begin to pay back. But make sure so you get what you do. Like you get a job when you do, you know, say every month you earn money, they earn salary. So that is it. Oh yes. Now so, don't let anything give you heart attack. Don't let anything worry you too much. Okay? Go for that man that you know you really love. Sister, go for that man that you know you really love. Brother, go marry that woman where you know say they give you joy. See, money is not everything. Beauty is not everything. If you follow beauty, go old though. If you follow money, money go finish. Follow your heart. And another one again, this one really concern women. Yes, it's about having baby here and there. Why I say concern women, because now woman they carry the belly. If you don't want time, you go see your doctor. If you never want born for this man, you know say you know I never want born, you go see doctor. You they protect yourself. Why you go make baby for John 1? After some years, you make another one for Peter. That's two children. Then after some time again, you go make another one for Paul. 3 children, 3 father. And then you come they put the blame for their papa head. But now you say you need them. Some go get children for Nigeria. They will just abandon those ones for them. Come born again for Europe. Then the one they born for Europe, now be the one where they go to take care of. The one where they born for Nigeria, they don't abandon her for them. So why you go get like 3 children already for Nigeria? You will still come Europe, come born again. You will get 3 children, sister, brother. It's enough. Take care of them. Let them really say, yes. Then get mama for Europe. Brother, if you see that this situation where they talk about, take care of your children very, very well. Okay? If you not work, they want learn. Let them work. If not school, train them in school. Not abandon them. Come focus on the one when you born for yourself and then come with every children are the same. But those first one when you fair born, please take care of them very, very well. Some people, they just get one. They say, no. Without they don't see man where go marry them, they cannot born again because they know what they are doing. People that think like this, I salute to now. You go say, no, even if now let this one now, boy, it's okay for me. Even if I have to born again, I must know, say, yes, I go marry, man go marry me. See? So they even care. All they want now the pikin. They say, fuck husband, God may go take care of her. Go just the born. What if they cause now trouble? Now you they cause for yourself for future. If you want to last long, take care of your children very, very well, brother, sister. If you want to last long, take care of your children very, very well. Because if you don't take care of them well, then go come fight you later on. If now one pikin you get, give her all your heart, all your love. It will pay you back later when that pikin grow. If you not do one like that, say you want to follow because this man is fine, you want boy, no. You not go last long because those children, they can't fire you later. Believe me. Okay? So, if you want make trouble not do your head for future, use one hand to take care of your children and love them equally. Not love one past one. Can you imagine? Some mothers, they get 3 children for Africa. They'll come born one for Europe. The one where they Africa, you go they ask mama, say, you want to go school? Mama will say, money no day. Then the one when they here, he knows say na free to go school for you, na just for you to prepare them. We all know. Okay, you don't get money where they spend. Yeah, you don't fit train that one where they home. What you can make you born for here? You just abandon that one where they home. For them, you know, say that home, now they for common, you know they can't suffer. Where they there. And as one come out for home, you promise say that because of that pikin, now make you they come out for me for come take care of her. Then you will come here finish. You will come born another one. You just abandon the one where they home. You they create hatred for those children. Sister, brother. Now what they create with that one? Just see. Mother go street market. You go buy shoe. 2 5 euro. 3 10 euro. You go give pikin one day Africa. Then you go Adidas shop. You go buy 70 euro, 80 euro shoe for the pikin when born for abroad. When I reason na. When you know see now that one with the African need that pass. Then you go see call the pikin for phone. That one go see they complain, mommy, please help me now for my school fees. You tell her say no, your brother shoe, or your sister shoe when your baby when I bought for here. Now yesterday I go buy her 2 shoe. You know how much I take buy the shoe? Almost 200 euro. Now I take buy her where they will go school. 200 euro. How much it be for naira? That one they go almost 100,000. Where be say your pikin school fees for Nigeria, you know really that money. You use that to buy shoe for the one we born for here. Then you will say me the one with the Nigeria they happy. When I see they use my head. But the one where you know say you go fit train. No go born prostitute for Nigeria dead. The one with the Nigeria whenever we know how we want to do one. No go born armed robber Curtis for Nigeria abandon them for them. Okay? Born the one where you know say you go fit take up. Now to sleep with my born everything. No be to take care of them. You know you see some women that will get one pikin. That pikin you go come there where pass person will born 4 5 because now the way we take care of her. Okay, no be to carry belle bonbon for this man bonbon for that and everything. Taking care of them is what matters. Yes, take care of them. No be by bonbon, now by taking care of them. Not they cheat them, not they do